Bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi. So today in this video, I want to record a little bit demonstration or a tutorial about how to make this kind of project. Here I'm practicing in physical topology, or exactly in Cisco packet tracer, trying to practice some of the protocols that I've written down in the right corner here. So here we are asked to have 8 protocols, to create 8 protocols, and here are some: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 7, 8. And then we're gonna ask to not include VLAN trunking in here, and I don't have VLAN trunking here. I mean, that's the most basic thing, right? And this only can be done in the physical topology, as you can see. And then one more time, area 1 and area 2 can ping each other, but area 1 cannot ping server, but they can access them. So here I will explain you some of the things that I've created here. First of all, you get SSH. So SSH are both on 4 routers. I've made SSH for all routers, and then EIGRP is of course the full topology. Each routers have their own EIGRP, but they are not inputting any IPs of the PC. Here the PC got this IP, right? Let me just CP this first. This PC got, okay, so not people. Okay. Wait a moment. So I'll show you later on. While troubleshooting, let me see something. Something's a little bit off here. I'm pretty sure. So here, so I'll say something that we got the DHCP relay here. The DHCP relay. So basically, the DHCP relay is on the server. Server got HTTP and DHCP relay at the same time, and they are using routers to help address to their IPs. Where is it? Yes, this IP address. So, and then we got something on the access list, the CP rows, tunnel, port fast. Port fast, of course, is in the switches. So port fast is something that if the PC got connected once, and it will immediately connect it, not with any authentication and authorizations and etc. And tunnel, of course. So before I explain you the router EIGRP here, if you want to see, here we don't get, oh no, not here, I think it's in here. Let me check. So basically they can't ping each other because they doesn't have their root. Yeah. The EIGRP doesn't have their root on it, but they have a static root for their own self. This is a little bit off. I think I'm gonna remove this. Should I remove that? I think I should remove that. Yeah, I think I should remove that. I got the static root already, so I don't need that, but I'll just let it be for a moment. And then we got tunnel here. Of course, I'm gonna show you again in here. So the tunnel is between them, and we gotta see here that we got our interface tunnel. So the IP of interface tunnel is 200.2 and 200.1. I should make it 30, but I just forgot to do it. But yeah, tunnel destination is 10.10.1. Here is 10.10.1, and etc. And we got rows or router on stick. We can see here we got sub interfaces 10, 20, as well in the second area we got 30 and 40. And then next we got DHCP. Of course DHCP is in here. We got surfaces, and then DHCP all are inputted inside of the server. And we got the DHCP relay on all the what's it called? That is the routers here as well. In here you got the CP relay 102, and then access list is basically denying any kind of pings. So it's of course over here. So deny CMP from 1020 and permit TCP and permit IPNA. So yeah, let me just show you from the SSH first. So here, if you want to see, we got the IP domain what is it, username IDN. We got privilege 15. So once they log, they immediately, we don't need enable password, because when you once you log this account, then you're gonna get privilege 15 or admin immediately, or privilege exact mode. And we got secret here, so we are using the secret password with domain IDN. So let's try it out by, first of all, we're gonna set, okay, the IP is set now, and we're gonna go to the command prompt and SSH L2. I think this. No, we're not gonna hear that. We're just gonna use this. So the IP address is 10.10, and 192.168.10.1, and then the username is IDN. Let's try it out. We're connected. So the IP that I inputted was the KG, and now I'm on privilege exact mode, and I can just conf and see all of them. And we can also use the one and the 10.10.10.22, and it is adding to, as I remember, is this. Yes, the KG conf. Yeah, I think we got it. And once again, I think we want to try this. I don't know if this will work or if it or not. Let's try it out. In 3, it does work. So this is also we don't got, no, this is router 3, but we don't have the privilege mode. I forgot to input them. And then 30 32 IDN 4. Now let's see what we got. Now we still got it. Okay, so the SSH is all working, and we're gonna port the EIGRP. So we're just gonna see that do show IP routing. As you can see, is on D, and then on D. So we're just gonna these, and then the static root as well here. So we don't need that, but we got the EIGRP already. We should be importing a standard root here, but that's okay. And then tunnels are right. So let's try to ping. But before that, we're gonna make sure that they have an IP address, because last time it got what is IP file. So let's import them all the IP addresses. Let's check one by one. 30.2, alright. 30.3, alright. 40.2, alright. 40.3. Now we're trying to ping them by using the command prompt. Now we're gonna use ping 192.168.30.2. So we're gonna first wait, because it's of course just gonna be use the request timeout, then it will just reprise them. But yeah, let's try it. But before that, what should we? No, we're gonna say the reply. The reply is, now we're gonna transfer 192.168.30.2. Now we see they're using the tunnel interfaces. Now we can see that they can ping each other. So let's try to ping them in the different area. 192.168.10.2 reply, and then transfer 192.168.10.2. You can see they're using the tunnel. The next hop is the tunnel. Now let's see if the second, the fourth, we cannot ping each other, and we cannot ping area 1 couldn't ping the server. So try to ping 100.2. We see that destination host unreachable, because we got the access list, extended access list behind the ICMP from this kind of networks. And if we want to try to connect them to the HTTP or TCP using the HTTP protocol or the web browser, we can still access them, but we couldn't ping them. So let's try to see if this would work. So HTTP .2//100.100.102, and we click go, and it's all open, it's all good. You can access them, but you cannot ping them. Right, let's see how much. way more. Okay. So yeah, maybe I think that's all that I can introduce you of the configuration that I've made. Thank you so much for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.